Good day, traders, and welcome to another coverage episode of the Ultimate Trading Championships. We are getting to the business end now, and entries have closed. There's 4 weeks left in the competition, and this third week was a wild one with several of our top traders being eliminated. But before we get into the action, let's quickly have a look at what you can expect in today's episode. In today's episode, we take a look at all the action from a wild week 3 in the Ultimate Trading Championship. We announce our third Trade of the Week winner. We look at a few setups to watch for the coming week, and we end things off with some before and afters from our Discord trading room. Just a reminder that this event is brought to you by the FX Price Action Setups community and powered by IFX Brokers. Alright, looking at some statistics from week 3 in the Ultimate Trading Championship, we started with 124 entries, we're up to 143 now, and entries have closed, so that'll be the highest it'll go. The total number of trades is 1,900. The biggest percentage gain this week was by HER, which is a late starter, but a very, very good week for HER, and HER moved up all the way into the top 10 this week. We'll have a look at those standings a little later. Another 14 traders got eliminated this week, putting the total to 43 traders eliminated. So there should be about 100 traders still left in the competition with 4 weeks to go. The Trade of the Week winner banked 3.54%, and we will announce the Trade of the Week winner a little bit later. The biggest dollar trade for the week, though, was $124,000 by Wayne Trade, our leader from last week, or from the first 2 weeks, on the pound JPY. And just another interesting fact, this week 4 of the traders from the top 10 got eliminated. A lot of those front runners couldn't keep up with the high risk. So we'll have a look at those standings soon. Just having a look at the top 10 trades for the week, what's interesting to note here is that Wayne Trade, from our leader from the start of the tournament, really, is on the top 5 trades of the week, no less than 5 times, with Novan also appearing 3 times there, and then Brian 911 and Optic also getting in there with some big trades. So Wayne Trade seems to have had another good week on there. Let's quickly have a look at the top 10 movers for the week. As I mentioned before, HER was the biggest mover for the week with 142% gain for the week. Then we have Pips Mafia with 112% gain, and Novan with also 100% gain. I think all three of those guys started very late in the tournament. There might be some dark horses for the ultimate prize in the end, because that's a really good start for people starting a bit late. Even Wayne Trade had a good week. Wayne Trade comes in there at 5th place with a 47% gain, and I see all the way down there in 10th place I see the name of Robin Hood. He's also had a 17% gain this week, so very good gain for him there this week. I'm going to have a look at last week's standing. So this was the standings last week, and I can confirm that Faith Puppy, the trader that was lying in 2nd place, got knocked out this week. Into FX, unfortunately, doing very well, but ended up getting a 3rd strike this week for closing more than 10% in a day. He was still doing very well, but unfortunately 3 strikes and he was out. Unlucky there into FX. But I hope to see you again in the next tournament. Also Razor, who's also been in the top 10 from the start, has also fallen out, and BTRFX also got knocked completely out of the tournament. So quite a rough week for the top 10 traders, for some of these traders. But now let's have a look at the final standings after 3 weeks of trading, and Wayne Trade is just pulling away from everyone at the moment. Is up 400%, where the 2nd place HER, who started late, is on 178%. I've still got into FX here in the top 10, but unfortunately, because of the 3rd strike, into FX was eliminated. There's your top 10, guys. I think 3 members, the 2nd place, 5th and 6th place, were very late starters, and after one good week of trading, they got into the top 10. So yeah, but now entries are close, and it'll be interesting to see if anyone can catch Wayne Trade. Maybe HER can make a run for it. Maybe a bit of a dark horse, but clearly the favorite now must be Wayne Trade, and I think if he can keep trading consistent like he has, it's going to be very, very tough to catch, and it might might require him to make a few mistakes for people to catch him. But this is only 3 weeks into the competition, still 4 weeks to go. Wayne Trade has a strike, so he's going to have to be careful for the next 4 weeks. And another interesting fact to note here is on the close of Friday, these traders had some open positions, and Wayne Trade was actually, holding on to open trades, positive 14% in his account, while most of these other traders are holding on to some quite big losses. Just showing again that it's going to be an uphill battle for anyone to catch Wayne Trade. Like I said, it is still a long week. Good luck to all the traders there. Can't wait to see how it pans out next week. But for now, it's time for us to see who won Trade of the Week. There you have it. The Trade of the Week winner for week 3 is Sibo. So congratulations, Sibo. You, of course, walk away with a $25 cash prize that we will double to $50 if you have an IFX Live account. Some really big trades there on the pound pairs, it seems. The British pound was a good place to be this week. But for now, let's look at a few setups that you can keep an eye out for this week by our team of traders. Enjoy. Yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for another episode, guys. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to help us grow. And for now, I'm just going to leave you guys with a few before and after setups from our Discord trading room. All the best for the week ahead. And as always, good luck and happy trading.